The Renault Duster is back in 2026. And this time it's not just about rugged looks or performance, it's about safety. Today, we break down its Bharat NCAP crash test results and see how it stacks up against rivals. The 2026 Renault Duster has achieved a full 5-star Bharat NCAP safety rating, with 30.49 out of 32 points for adult occupant protection and 45 out of 49 for child occupant protection. It's one of the safest SUVs in its class. Key highlights: side impact test, perfect score, 16/16. Frontal offset test, good protection for head, neck, and lower body, adequate chest and leg protection. This means whether it's a side collision or frontal impact, the Duster's reinforced structure and airbags provide strong protection. Multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, escape, electronic stability control, ISOFIX child seat mounts, advanced crash structure. And here's the best part: these 35 safety features are standard across all variants. No compromises, even if you pick the base model. Renault Duster, 2026 5-star. Standout side impact protection. Kia Seltos, 2026 5-star. Slightly better frontal chest protection. Hyundai Creta, 2026 facelift 4-star. Good frontal crash performance but lower overall scores. While the Kia Seltos edges ahead in some areas, the Duster shines with its balanced adult and child safety scores, making it a strong contender in the compact SUV segment. Of course, competition is heating up. Rivals are adding advanced driver assistance systems. But Renault's achievement here marks a huge leap from older Duster models that lacked verified crash ratings. The 2026 Renault Duster isn't just rugged, it's now one of the safest compact SUVs in India. If safety is your top priority, this SUV deserves a serious look. Like, share and subscribe for more car safety breakdowns.